In this video, we compare HS360S GPS Drone and Potensic ATOM Drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The HS360S GPS Drone by Holy Stone is an extremely lightweight and compact model, weighing less than 250 grams, thus eliminating the need for FAA or remote ID registration in the United States. Equipped with a 1/3 CMOS GalaxyCore Sensor and a 4K 85-degree wide-angle camera, the drone can capture stunning 3840 by 2160p photos and 4K videos, offering an exciting new perspective for your creativity. The drone features advanced connection technology that allows you to connect your smartphone to the controller using just one data cable, providing real-time image streaming without the need for Wi-Fi. The HS360S has an impressive control range of up to 10,000 feet, thanks to Holy Stone's advanced intelligent control system, and its modular battery supports 20 minutes of flight time. The drone's precise GPS positioning ensures stable flight and a safe return home function, allowing the drone to find its way back to you when the battery runs low or the connection breaks up. The HS360S drone is user-friendly with the latest Holy Stone intelligent control system, offering beginner mode and optical flow positioning to help novices practice drone control skills. The Potensic ATOM Drone is an incredibly lightweight gadget weighing less than 249 grams, making it easily portable and exempt from FAA or remote ID registration. Equipped with a SONY CMOS sensor and a 12-megapixel camera capable of recording 4K 30 FPS video, the drone ensures high-quality image and video capture. The drone features a fast 1.5H charging time and offers an impressive 96 minutes of flight time with its 3 batteries, ensuring ample time for exploration. The drone boasts an upgraded PixSync 3.0 technology that ensures strong anti-interference compatibilities and a maximum transmission range of up to 6 kilometers. The ATOM drone camera supports visual tracking and creative features like pull-away, rocket, circle, spiral, and boomerang, giving users the freedom to record creative moments. The drone is beginner-friendly with its enhanced GPS capabilities and return-to-home feature, ensuring steady aerial shots and safe flight. Both the HS360S GPS Drone and the Potensic ATOM Drone are extremely lightweight models that don't require FAA or remote ID registration due to their weight being less than 250 grams. They both feature advanced camera systems, with the Holy Stone drone equipped with a GalaxyCore Sensor and a 4K 85-degree wide-angle camera, while the Potensic drone features a SONY CMOS sensor and a 12-megapixel camera, both capable of recording 4K videos. In terms of control range, the HS360S drone stands out with a range of up to 10,000 feet, while the ATOM drone offers a maximum transmission range of up to 6 kilometers. The HS360S drone provides a flight time of 20 minutes, whereas the Potensic drone significantly exceeds this with a total flight time of 96 minutes from its 3 batteries. Both drones are beginner-friendly and feature GPS capabilities and return-to-home features for safety. The Potensic drone offers creative features like pull-away, rocket, circle, spiral, and boomerang, while the HS360S drone offers similar functions like spiral up, catapult, and one-tap Ascension. Overall, both drones are impressive in their respective ways, with the HS360S offering a longer control range and the Potensic ATOM drone providing a longer flight time.